In this video, we're going to learn how to bisect an angle. We want to bisect the angle XYZ, so that goes from X to Y to Z. So first of all, I'm going to put my compass point on Y, and I'm going to draw an arc on the line YZ. I'm going to leave my protractor just as open as it was. I'm going to put the compass point on Y, and I'm going to draw another arc on the line YZ. Then I'm going to move my protractor, I'm going to move the point onto one of the arcs that I've just drawn, and I'm going to draw another arc. And again, leaving my protractor just as open as it was, I'm going to move it so that the compass point is now on the other arc that I made at the start, and I'm going to draw another arc so that it intersects with the arc that we've just drawn. Okay, so obviously this shows that you need to make sure the arcs are long enough, but that is fine. What I'm going to do now is use my ruler. So let me get my ruler, and I'm going to draw a line which goes through Y and through the intersection of the last two arcs that were drawn. And the line that is drawn will bisect the angle XYZ, which just means that it cuts the angle in half. As you can see, we've now cut the angle XYZ into two equal halves. Here's a question for you to try. On some squared paper, I'd like you to sketch the right angle triangle ABC, where AB is 10 centimeters, ABC is a right angle, and BC is 10 centimeters. Once you've done this, I'd like you to bisect the angle ABC, as shown by the red line, and where that line intersects AC, mark that as point X. I'd then like you to measure AX. If you've got AX as about 7 centimeters, you've correctly bisected ABC. Have a go at the question now, and pause the video, and then I will go over how to do this if you're unsure. This is how we would go about bisecting the angle ABC. So if I just that. Okay, so I would get my protractor, not my protractor, sorry, my compass. I would open it up. I'm going to put the compass point on B. I'm going to open it a little bit more. I would now draw an arc. Then I would leave my protractor just as open as it was, and I'm going to draw another arc on AB this time. So now going to put my compass point onto one of the arcs that I've just made, and I'm going to draw another arc, making sure that it's big enough. I'm going to now move my protractor, leaving it just as open as it was, onto the other arc that I made previously, and I'm going to draw another arc. Okay, the previous one wasn't long enough. There we go. And now I'm going to join a B to the point of intersection of the last two arcs, and that will be the angle bisector. That will bisect the angle ABC. Now for you, if you've drawn everything to scale, when you measure AX, it should be about 7 centimeters.